In this video, I am going to explain a organic chemistry practice problem. An organic compound A, which has molecular formula C2H6O, it liberates hydrogen gas when it reacts with sodium. A oxidizes with PCC and gives B. The molecular formula is C2H4O. Now B undergoes positive iodoform test and also give as a byproduct C2H4O2 sodium, and this C2H4O2 Na after acidification give a compound C, C2H4O2. Now oxidation of B also gives compound C, that is C2H4O2, and C2H4O2 reacts with sodium bicarbonate solution and we get a effervescence. Now we have to find out A, B and C, and also we have to explain all the reactions. Now let's explore it. Problem. Since compound C formula is C2H4O2 and it reacts with sodium bicarbonate and it gives effervescence, that means it is a carbon dioxide effervescence, and the molecular formula also match with acetic acid. So compound C is acetic acid. Now we can get compound C from the oxidation of a compound B. The molecular formula is C2H4O, and this compound B also shows positive iodoform test. So that means it should be a methyl ketone. So it should be acetaldehyde. It cannot be acetone because the molecular formula is also not matching, and acetone cannot be oxidized to acetic acid. So compound B is acetaldehyde. Now we can get acetaldehyde by the oxidation of a compound A, which molecular formula is C2H6O, and here we are using a mild oxidizing agent PCC. So it should be alcohol, and another proof that compound A is alcohol because it reacts with sodium and give hydrogen gas. And compound A is ethanol because molecular formula is matching C2H6O. So final answer is compound A is ethanol, compound B is acetaldehyde, and compound C is acetic acid.